FTMO or not?
You have to check on your specific account. If you have a swing account, you might be able to.
Okay, because I watched the calendar and it's not red. For example, CPI is red marked, but this isn't.
You have to check. You have to check your own.
Okay.
Hey, Thomas.
Hi, Yanar.
How are you?
Good to see you, my friend.
Stupid. Hello, hello. Still not 100%, but here I am.
Good evening, guys.
Well, at least it's better.
Hey, the big man, big boss. How are you? Give me some signals because at the end of the month I'm not performing too well.
Bro, you earn 10,000 of pips in October. Crazy mother tucker.
14,000, but who counts it?
I know everything. I know everything.
Oh God. Hey, hold on,
Ask
did I
for
enter?
stickler. Cheeky. No, cheeky.
Where is my Bitcoin position?
Liquidated.
We had few problems in Forex today.
What? Where is it gone?
No, really, we had a glitch in the Forex today. They had maybe 30 minutes crazy problems. I couldn't log in. I couldn't do anything in my account.
I didn't
they
have this
fixed it.
issue.
You can see also in the Discord.
Ah, did Andre send a message about this?
I talked to him directly.
Ah, okay, thank you.
New York is open.
Hell yeah. Let's have a look at the markets.
Sell it.
So what?
Gold.
Mate, most likely.
NASDAQ made new high.
Yes.
Yeah, and it will continue to do so until tomorrow or tonight. Tomorrow is going to be a very difficult day. We have FOMC interest rate decision. We have the earnings for the biggest companies. It's going to be a very, very difficult day. Anyhow, it's the end of the month, so don't expect too much from me. I try my best, but it's a bad end month or month end. But we can't complain after 8 or 10 weeks of winning, can we?
No.
We always can complain. We can always, no matter what.
Yeah.
Oops, too big.
We have news today?
Yeah, consumer confidence.
Yes, I'm very confident. Yes.
Not surprised. I saw your gym photo. That was impressive.
Working on myself.
Good, that's the only way.
Bro, 1 year now at 50. Best
50?
best of myself.
You look at 40.
I know, bro. I feel like 30. Sometimes a problem.
And you act like 20.
Yes, ask my wife.
Good, that's good sign. You have when you still got your mojo. Okay.
You have no open gold position, Thomas.
No. I got 2 losses yesterday, so I haven't entered. I don't think I entered a gold position. No. No. I entered a Bitcoin position that I sent
I
out,
saw it.
but then it disappeared.
Liquidated.
No, my
What
stop
happened
loss
to
was
the-
wide enough. I don't know, because I'm confident. Maybe I closed it. I have no idea. Maybe I wasn't careful enough. I don't know, but it was just gone.
But I can see the Bitcoin position.
But that's the second one I opened.
The 0.4 is the second one.
Yeah. But then I had another 0.4,
Oh, okay.
and I was just only one. So New York is open, and we got 26 minutes until consumer confidence. So just trying to put together the puzzle today. Obviously, indices are creating new all-time highs. As you can see, we had a position on NASDAQ since last week, which is running at just close to 1,000 pips. Sorry, at 750 pips. Bitcoin opened a position just now, expecting some further upward movement. And on gold, I have the runners, but I'm not planning to open any other positions. In fact, I might gonna close these runners because there's, prices just in a free fall, and it doesn't look like it's going to stop.
Gold.
Now, on gold, on gold, what I'm expecting is still a bounce back up. So when you look at the market structure, obviously, the majority of the market structure was bullish until last week or a week ago, the market started to sell off aggressively, which was mostly due to the sell-off in crypto. And since that, what has changed is that we have an earnings season, and some of the biggest companies are going to report today. Microsoft, Meta, Google, and also we just had a breaking news. Microsoft rise 4% after OpenAI deal with stake value at 105 billion, which is another, they fooling people. These companies like Oracle, OpenAI, Microsoft, they're passing around billions and billions of dollars between each other. This is the biggest scam in history. I'm not sure how much you've read about this, but they are fooling everyone. So, consumer confidence. We have exactly 23 minutes, 2 o'clock UK time. We are going to experience the consumer confidence. Now, this is an indicator about how confident the consumers are in terms of, how much their money worth, how are their lives. And the current consumer confidence index is forecasted to be 93.4% versus 94. Let's see the previous ones. Yeah, from the hundreds down to 80, 86 this year, April. So consumers are losing confidence. It's like a roller coaster, isn't it?
So if I understand correctly, if consumer losing the confidence in the United States economy, we assuming that they're going to the safe havens as gold. I'm just asking.
Yes, that would be my initial guess, but because we have earnings season, this messes up the whole picture.
I need the lessons of how to not FOMO my position.
Just don't trade. Simple as that. Don't trade. Just focus on the big ticket values, the big earners, like CPI last week. Who traded CPI with me last week?
Me, it was amazing.
It was amazing. Is
But then
consumer
I
confidence as
overplayed
good as?
and blew my account.
Well done.
Yeah, yeah.
Well done. A warm handshake to you, my friend.
Too much time out of my family and everything. So just, pay by mistakes.
Yeah, it's fine. I saw someone posted on Discord that rich before London Open, close London poor. Doesn't sound right, does it? And now we're just waiting. Yep.
Oh, sorry, one question. Do you think NASDAQ will go up?
Anything is possible, brother.
Okay, I just sold gold before in the morning, still running.
That's good. At least you're making money. Well, NASDAQ just printed a new all-time high at 26, close to 26,000. And I forecasted this move to happen last week. Last week? Yeah, a week ago. And it went well beyond my expectation because now it's at 26,000. You can see on TradingView. How high? Well, this is a new territory. And today we are going to have, or tomorrow we're going to have the Fed interest rate decision. And we're going to have the biggest companies' quarterly financial reports. So I don't want to go into any forecast with the previously mentioned events in sight, because anything is possible. So I do have my expectation, but I would rather not trade because currently it's 50-50% the probability for each scenario. But what I wanted to show you is that, can you see the green line on TradingView? Here, this one. I think it was Adam who asked me about NASDAQ last week.
Yeah, it was me.
And I think the entry was right here. And,
yeah, I made some profits.
yeah. So I think it was one of the morning briefings when price was retesting this resistance line. And because it was a previous all-time high and it was just testing and licking and, things, I said, yeah, just go long. And here we are. You're welcome.
Adam,
Yeah.
You found the indicator, Lambo setup.
No, I couldn't find it. It was interesting to see. I used pivots and volume. That's it, but I couldn't find it. It was nice just to see. It was so fancy,
Okay.
But I have to search again. Thank you very much for your help. And
Do you have a Lambo?
You're welcome.
You have a Lambo indicator?
Yes. From the past. Created
Really?
by Eisenhower and how was his name? Who write the script for the indicator? Very good. Lambo setups, bro.
Okay, if you want to know something interesting, on Monday, 20th of October, I made 1,200 US dollar, and you know what happened? Top Step, they had issues with AVS, and I lost the money. So next day they resetted my account. So I don't know if this is happening with FTMO, but
No.
yeah. So I lost on that day. I made 1,200, nothing special, but the next day it was gone, and they gave me just another free account. So that's why I have now 2 top step accounts and 1 FTMO 100k. But I have to go to the 2-step verification or to pass the challenge.
Okay.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm talking too much.
No. I'm happy to listen.
Thank you. Maybe it's interesting for the other people if anybody is trading futures and forex. I'm trying at least.
Yesterday, the Federal Reserve.
And we got 70 minutes to kill. Oh yeah.
Kamash, a quick question.
Go on.
Will CPI, the Euro CPI on Friday, affect the gold in any way or form? Because apparently it's an important CPI on Friday.
Well, sorry, say it. Can you remember?
Will the Euro CPI on Friday affect the gold price in any way or form?
You can check the correlation, but I never traded Euro CPI. And the reason for that, is it a cumulative CPI or specific country, or just Euro CPI?
I think it's just for the European Union.
Yep, it's bullshit. I mean,
Oh, okay.
it's same bullshit as the monetary policy for the EU. The 20-something member countries. How can you compare the UK to Hungary, for example, in terms of CPI? You add 5% and 15% you add together, you divide it by 2, you get 10% inflation. It's bullshit. So, yeah, just ignore it.
Okay.
If you were to go to the gym, right? It's like exercise, right? If you
Does anybody trade Euro USD?
Nope.
Okay.
Adam, did you wanna find the Lambo setup?
No. I don't know why I can send you a screenshot. But when I look in trading your indicator and then Rambo, I don't know what.
Look the strategic discussion and look to May 18, 2024. There you see Lambo setup, and there is
Do you know the name of the creator?
Eisenhower.
Eisenhower.
Yes.
No. Eisenhower give the input, but somebody else is writing the script for the indicator.
Okay.
I think it was 2% or some 2%.
But you can find it in strategy discussion.
Yeah, and that's a free indicator, right?
Yes, it's a free indicator.
Okay, perfect.
That's strategy. Okay. Yeah, I'm actually pissed off because because of Euro USD, I lost 500 US dollars. I bought it in the morning. I was up like 150, and then it went down, and my stop loss got triggered.
Out of the game, bro.
Yeah, I didn't expect that. It's just making some corrections. I know.
Well, let me tell you, sometimes market moves the opposite direction.
Yeah, there's a meme. Somebody says he just bought, and then
Yeah. I guess the market makers were looking at your account.
Assalamualaikum, Bonanis.
When somebody
Hey,
says
Alex.
How you doing?
huh?
All good in the hood. We're winning.
No.
Alex, my friend,
Cześć.
this
Cześć,
W
kurwa.
porządku? Ja se przydupę?
Kocham cię.
It's time for
Adam,
Zubrowka now. Yeah?
Adam, listen to me. Important advice. When somebody said he bought, you always have to go full margin and have no stop loss, bro.
Guys, Bitcoin is running at Bitcoin is running
Oh.
at 270 pips profit. And it's
Oh.
gonna go to the moon.
With NASDAQ.
Yeah, most likely.
No, the NASDAQ is... Bitcoin follow always the NASDAQ.
Yeah, because of the ETFs.
Yes.
But, well, not always. I mean, you can see that the move on NASDAQ was more significant, and we had a massive sell-off in crypto. But let me just pull up the...
Maybe it's time for risk on. Cash is flowing from gold to risk assets now.
Check the TradingView chart. So I pulled up NASDAQ, and we're going to do visual correlation analysis. You can do this by yourself. So if you have one asset, and if you want to compare the correlation visually, you can add another asset on the chart. So in this case, for the NASDAQ, which is currently pulled up on the chart, I'm going to add Bitcoin. So what I do is I go to Bitcoin, right click. I said right click, add Bitcoin to compare, and I need to normalize, and I need to pin the new asset to the left scale, so this way it normalizes the chart. And what we can see, Bitcoin is definitely more aggressive, so the volatility, it does move the same direction, yeah. But what I wanted to emphasize is that even though actually Bitcoin is more aggressive, the more volatile, but in this case, I think NASDAQ the rebound was significantly sharper than Bitcoin, because obviously Bitcoin lost more in value, so it dropped from 125k down to 111,000. NASDAQ wasn't that aggressive. It only lost about 4%, whereas Bitcoin lost about 30%, maybe 20% in the most recent sell-off. Okay, almost 300 pips profit on Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. Oh, you swinging it?
Nah, I don't do swinging. I'm happily married, mate.
Oh, don't you start this British jokes now.
Have you heard about the docking?
I was reading something about XRP. The investors are buying XRP, so something about NASDAQ, something about the indexes, they will use XRP, something like that. I'm not sure, but it was just one sentence too.
Adrian, I did find the coder who made the Lampo setup code.
Sorry?
I did find the coder who made the Lampo setup.
Brent is sending also a share your chart, a strategy discussion.
Yeah, it is in 6 May. No, it's June 17, 22, 24.
I, for some reason, want to short US 30.
Why?
I think the consumer confidence is gonna be well below 90, and I'm gonna enter a long position on gold, half a lot. Yep. Yeah, I just entered a long position on gold. Let me post a signal to our Discord.
I'm still in a sell. Should I close now? I don't know.
Mate, it's your position, so don't start copying my positions. If you enter the sell for some reason, I mean, stick to it. Don't let anyone change your mind.
Oh, we need a financial advice, Tamas.
That's extra. That's I give you 50% profit share. Okay?
It's gonna be appreciated, yeah. Lovely.
Boom boom profits, I guarantee.
Only 50%.
Only 50.
That's good. Lost
Plus
1.5 today.
40% management fee. So you got the whole family trading now, Levy?
The two of us.
Hi, hi.
Hi.
So the family, the son isn't doing it yet.
Not yet.
Yeah.
He wants to look
Good.
at demo accounts.
Well, you could just ask him if you, hey son, do you want to try heroin? It's the same result.
Yeah. Gold was really bad from last Tuesday.
Yeah.
So
For us, it wasn't that good. Yeah.
very bad.
Well, on Friday.
No, Tuesday.
Tuesday, today.
It started dropping on Tuesday, so I bought the dip.
Oh,
But it was a
big
larger
mistake.
dip.
I did the same mistake as well.
Yeah,
But I only had like two losses or something. But when the market, oh no, actually I wasn't trading on Tuesday. I was ill.
Yeah, you were off, kind of, yeah.
Yeah.
But I
thanks
had no
God.
stop loss, you see. That's the problem.
Well, no stop loss, no loss, is it?
Well, loss of everything.
Yeah.
When the market is going down, stop buying. When the market is going up, stop selling. Number one rule.
Wow.
It's a very, very common mistake done by traders. I do the same mistake sometimes over and over again, but when I realize that the market is going down, just stop and wait. It's the end of the month. We had a massive crypto sell-off a couple of weeks ago, which resulted or affected gold. We have the biggest companies are going to report. The biggest companies in the whole world are about to report tonight. Where is it? Economic calendar. So we have no, I want the earnings calendar. Tomorrow we're going to have Microsoft, Alphabet, which is Google. You have Type C and Type A shares. The difference between them, one of them has voting rights, the other one doesn't, but you don't have to worry about that. We have Meta, and also we have Caterpillar, which in 2020 or 21 or 22, they sent the whole market down by 15%. With the guy was in the earnings call, and he gave a very, very bad outlook for the future, and the whole market just crashed. So this is why it's important. Don't just look at the number. If you have the opportunity and the connections, just dial in to the earnings call or browse the internet for transcript of the earnings call, because that is the most important part, not just the number. So this company is going to report tomorrow. Also we have, bless you, also we have the Fed interest rate decision. So it's going to be a bloodbath tomorrow. But Bitcoin position is running in 330 pips profit.
Okay.
360. Most likely NASDAQ is going to follow, but I don't want to trade equities today.
Is there any updates about the government shutdown?
No?
They went on tour with Trump or what? Or they just waiting when the daddy's gonna be back in the house?
No idea. Absolutely no idea. In the meantime, well, wait, give me a shout when the date is a minute far.
2 minutes.
Oh, God.
He said 1 minute. Kill.
2. Alex, 2.
I need to change. I bought this thing. I got an 8 terabyte SSD card.
Is it good?
Yeah, I'm just putting it together. I have a new computer, a Mac Studio, top of the range. I don't know the specs, but it was a fucking fortune.
Oh, you got a lot of home videos then.
Yeah. It's coming soon, innit? 8K. I got the new Sony Alpha A1 camera, a new Mac Studio, so yeah, we can do the 8K videos now.
Nice.
Okay, we got 1 minute and 10 seconds. Punanis.
Gold is pushing.
Yep. I have a long position on gold, long position on Bitcoin. Let's see which one is going to win. One of them has to.
Roadblocks 3950.
50 seconds to go. Get your credit cards ready. Or your partner's credit card. You know, I think I'm getting a divorce. My wife is going through bar to bar every night after 11 p.m. and I can't take anymore. She's looking for me. She's looking for me.
25 seconds.
Oh, you're playing hide and seek, yeah?
That's meant to be a joke. Okay, we got 15 seconds. You motherfuckers. Gambling addicts, we got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And CB consumer confidence.
Bye.
Can you see the number? Shout it out.
Nope. Can't see.
Come on, investing.com. Refresh. Anyone can see any numbers?
Nope.
Everything frozen on my screens.
Oh, God. Okay, let's go to trading economics. If you see the number, just shout it out immediately.
It's 94.6.
94.6.
94.6.
Oh.
Yep.
Wasn't expecting that. What should we do? Hold the position. It's slightly higher, but the previous was revised to 95.6 from 94.2. So again, I think that's bearish for gold, but it's good for stocks. Should be good for Bitcoin. It's boring data.
It looks like no reaction.
Yeah, because it's for me, when I look at the 94.6, I was like, yeah, slightly better. The previous was revised higher as well, so consumer confidence is improving, but it's not that good. So it's neutral data, neutral result. That's it, guys. That's it for today.
Anyway,
Thank you so much.
Fantastic, mate.
Yeah, the last 2 weeks was brilliant.
Are you holding your position, Thomas?
Let me unscrew this screw. I'm thinking, but most likely I'm going to close down the gold position. It's tough. Let's see, how much is my risk?
Peanuts.
Well, it's 1,000. It's 900 pounds. It's a lot.
Whoa, it's 1,200 euros. Decent money for the bar.
Well, it's a good dinner in Central. Anywhere.
Good dinner.
Yeah.
At the restaurant somewhere.
We went to 2 Michelin star restaurants in the last 4 weeks. One of them was fucking amazing. The other one, Babel. It's in central Budapest. The other one was Jenő Rác. Jenő.
I know. Yeah.
Yeah, Babel was amazing. It was very expensive. They did a cheeky trick. So I'd never been to a Michelin star restaurant, and I was watching a lot of movies because I love cooking. And they were cheeky because at the start of the gourmet experience, they asked me, "Do you want a champagne? A glass of champagne?" I was like, "Yeah, why not?" And it didn't tell me how much the champagne cost. And each glass was about, I think it was about £50 for a deciliter.
Wow. Same like a strip club.
Yeah, exactly. The same dirty trick. I was like,
it was the same scam.
And I had half a liter of fucking champagne. I was like, what? They brought the bill. I was like, whoa. There's something's not right, because there was an extra £250 plus the service charge of 15%. I was like, whoa, guys, this is not right. It's not the money, but I don't like being. I felt like cheated. So I was like, so why is the dinner bill is double than what I expected? Because you had 5 glasses of champagne. I was like, yeah, but I thought it's on the house. And I said, like, what? How much is per glass? They were like, it's like 40, 45 something euros, not pounds, sorry.
Wow.
And I was like, wow, that's an expensive. I never had expensive champagnes like this.
I bet it wasn't Hungarian, was it?
No.
No.
Just for you to know, I mean, the food business for 10 years, it's not that expensive. It's in a chef restaurants or in a gourmet restaurants. It's most of the time the prices.
Yeah, it was in central Budapest, so don't forget that the salaries are lower. But anyway, the clientele is mostly tourist. I know there are places which are more expensive, and I know this is not big money for many people. But when you go out and you expect, or you get used to the regular prices, this is still very, very pricey. I mean, just having champagne for 250 euros or 300 euros, that's a luxury. That's very expensive for many people. And when you go out and you calculate the bill, because I think the bill was about, the experience was about, I don't want to lie, but I think it was about 200 euros per person for a 13-course meal. And when you have 400 euros expecting, or maximum 500 with the service charge, and then you get added on an extra 300 euros just for 5 glasses of champagne, that's a big additional cost.
Yeah. When I was young, the highest price that I ever spared as a waiter was for a few oligarchs that came to a hotel that I used to work. They pay for a table. I'm trying to convert it to euro, but it's around 85,000 euro. And
what?
Most of the price, was on champagne and very exclusive old wine.
Wow.
But extremely. Don Perignon champagne.
Yeah.
Very expensive one.
There are much nicer champagnes than Dom Perignon, much cheaper one. I think Dom Perignon is just overhyped, especially with
just
these
a brand.
idiots. Yeah.
One of the best is Krug. One of the best champagne. Krug, yes. It's one of the best champagnes.
Let me check.
I'm married to a Russian girl. I'm drinking vodka most of the time.
Tamash, is KRUG. This is one of the best champagnes.
Yeah.
Krug?
Krug, yes.
I never heard about it. That's I can buy it.
Because you are new into this gourmet theme, and let me teach you.
Please, master.
Guide you.
You eating good in Dubai?
No, in the past, I'm sitting at one of the best restaurants in the world. This is was a hobby for me and my wife.
Wow, spending shitloads of money on
catching amazing
champagne.
moments together and eating a lot of stars, spending a lot of money, drinking a lot of top wines, and met the best chefs in the world.
Wow.
Sitting in London with my wife at the 3-star Michelin restaurant from Gordon Ramsay. This was the most expensive dinner in my life.
How was it?
1,300 euro.
No, I mean, how was the experience?
Top notch. There was a waiter from Wiesbaden, engineer from Frankfurt.
Yeah, so
And,
you were
he
chatting
treated
in
us-
German?
Yes. His name was Ali, a Turkish guy, and we are from Frankfurt. This is like neighbors.
Yeah.
And then he asked me, what you doing over here at this place, and blah, blah, blah. And then I call him my Vita, my story, where we are eating and which restaurants we're visiting. And he said, wow, it's completely stunning. Then he goes to his team, blah, 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 whispering. And then the magic begins. Was amazing.
I tell you a secret. So in the last, I think 3 months, we've been going to high-end restaurants, but only 2 of them were Michelin. You know Spago, the what was the German guy? Oh God.
Yes, I know it.
The Wolfgang Puck.
Yes.
Yes, so we went here as well. It was I think it was better than the other Michelin star restaurant, even though this doesn't have Michelin star, just Michelin guide. Very good food. And what I started doing when I'm going out with my wife, on the reservation, they asked, do you have any comments or requirements? And I always put down, it's my wife's birthday, even though her birthday is in January. So every single time we get a free dessert.
Very
and a free glass of champagne, which is brilliant. And it was like, she asked me like, please stop writing down it's my birthday because it's embarrassing.
Oh my God.
Every single time. And I'm sending it to we have a friend group chat, and my friends say, you're the biggest fucking gyps in the whole world.
Yes. True.
Gosh, we do have this reputation, don't we?
Yeah.
Hungarians.
Yeah, and we went to the hotel. It's our anniversary. We got a free bottle of champagne. It was cheap, but still good. So I was stuffing it in my suitcase. You know, if you get any penny for free, or if you get anything for free, just do it. Seriously. So if you go out ever in a restaurant, just put down, oh, it's my wife's birthday, and you get a free dessert on the house and probably a glass of something.
Yeah.
Kava.
Nice.
Shalom Shabbat.
Shalom Shabbat. Tomas, I can recommend you a restaurant in London.
Yeah, you can recommend. There's dozens of good restaurants in London.
Yeah, no, we have. I used to work with him. Amazing chef named Asaf Granit. He's an Israeli guy. He opened a few restaurants in Israel and around the world. And he have a restaurant in London, and my wife ate there, and also a few friends. And basically, they have a lot of good recommendations for the food there.
Yeah, send it in the DM.
What's the name of the restaurant? Shakshuka.
Shakshuka. I had shakshuka last week.
Yeah, it's also Israeli. Very good
I
one.
know.
We have, but shakshuka is actually a Hungarian dish. It's called lecho. Ratatouille.
Really?
Oh no, this is
Italian
from Israel.
No. It's Hungarian.
We don't really have a lot of Israeli food.
The Hungarian thing, you got only the goulash.
No. All the food comes from all the food comes from Hungary. All the food.
All the food comes from Hungary. It's good.
And also the Swedish surströmming.
Langosh is the best.
We had a house party last week, or a garden party, and we tried the surströmming. That didn't end well.
So that's why you've been sick for the week, yeah?
No. Anyway, I closed down the gold position because it's very, very, very uncertain what's going to happen. I still have the Bitcoin position because CB consumer confidence was positive, so I'm expecting indices and Bitcoin to go higher. That said, be careful, guys, because you still have earnings season and the big reports are coming out tomorrow, and plus we have the interest rate decision tomorrow evening. So I don't trade gold today, maybe tomorrow. As said, I'm betting on Bitcoin and indices today. Tomorrow morning we are going to have a morning briefing, and in the evening we are going to live trade only for members the Fed interest rate decision. Deal?
Deal.
With
can I ask you another question, please, Thomas? Maybe.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Yeah, a question. I was thinking maybe we can do a community. I was setting in English, like when you meet everyone, not like conference or something. Like
What do you want?
A meeting in Europe, in Dubai, or something.
Yeah.
Like plan.
No, not in Dubai. No, not in Dubai.
I'm just saying, like, for me, I can't go to Dubai.
You just don't want to organize the party somewhere in the desert, Adrian.
I really want to go to visit there. I can't. I'm not allowed to go there yet. But
Mate,
in
that's
Europe,
not organize anything in the desert. It's you know.
No but
parties.
I eat everything.
That will escalate quick.
Yeah.
That will escalate quick.
I'm going to be in Austria, in Salzburg, in April.
Okay.
And maybe in Cyprus, going to visit our good, amazing friend, Andre.
I have a plan to go to Cyprus next year.
In the Valentine. I'm going with my wife to the Four Seasons there.
Oh.
It's cheap hotel. It's from the Four Seasons group.
Guys, I am leaving.
Bye,
Goodbye.
my friend.
Cheers.
Bye-bye.
Cheers, Alex.
I'm going as well, guys, because today is very, very flat.
Right.
Sorry for
Bitcoin is running at 620 pips profit from today. Hallelujah.
Thank you very much for everything.
All right, all the best, guys.
Bye, guys.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Thank you very much.
Bye,
See you tomorrow. Bye.
So, guys, if you're still watching, if you want to join the AlphaFX community, check the links below the video and you get free signals, you get morning briefing, and you get to live trade with me, and you get to chat with these awesome guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is the AlphaFX.